Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited. I get to share with you guys the unboxing of my Voxbox. I just got this Voxbox in the mail. So let's see what they got inside. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it. I don't know how to do this. Woo! So they give you this insert card to show you all the stuff that came in it and what it is and the prices. And they also give you on the back of the card information on what's the hashtag. Once you get onto the app, try the products, you know, unlock the badges that they have, take more surveys so you could possibly get entered into more boxes in the future. So this is what we're gonna do. So the first thing we have is this CoverGirl. It says CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. The price it goes for is $6.99. Get up to 10 times volume in an instant. Lash Blast Volume Mascara. An instant blast of fullness, definition, and length. And when you use this product, it says if you'd like, you can at CoverGirl and hashtag Lash Blast to school. So this is, I'm super excited to try this. I wear lashes, but I also like to just wear mascara sometimes because my lashes are naturally long. I just don't have volume, so I'm hoping that I can see a big difference between this one and the one that I have now. I'm hoping, let me grab the one I have now. So the one I have now is actually Rimmel London Scandal Lashes. I like it, you know, I just don't like that once I wash it off, it's like so hard to get off my eyelashes. And it's so dark, like it leaves my eyes kind of dark underneath or at the rim. And I think that's between this and the eyeliner that I use, like the pencil liner, it's just so dark. It gave me is a little travel size pack of Crest. It says Crest Gum and Sensitivity All Day Protection Toothpaste. It sells for the big bottle being, not this one, but the big bottle goes for $6.99. It says get fast tooth sensitivity relief and clinically proven healthier gums with Crest Gum and Sensitivity Toothpaste at Crest and hashtag Crest at Target. So I currently use Pro Enamel, so I really love Pro Enamel. Like, it does the job for me. I have sensitive gums due to the fact that I did have Invisalign, so I know you guys can't really tell, but I have Invisalign. I still have it. Unfortunately, I no longer, you know, work with the company that I was working with before for the Invisalign, only due to the fact that they kept getting my Invisalign wrong. Every time they sent me a set of aligners, the aligners wouldn't be my teeth, they would be a different shape, or they would be like an old set that I had already got scanned. So it was constantly a haggle and I was still paying. So I was just like, you know what, forget it. I'm just gonna keep the trays that I have that are more of a retainer than a transitioning tray, and I was just done with it. I was just like, my teeth are just gonna always never be perfect until I guess I get metal braces, but I don't even know if that is, you know, worth it either, so I'm not worried about it anymore. The third thing I have is this. I think it is a dry shampoo. I love dry shampoos too because I don't like to wash my hair every day. I try not to, at least. I have been doing it often lately, but when I was living in Miami, I never really washed my hair as much. I would just use dry shampoo and I would just be out the door, or I'd put my hair up because it's so hot, and my hair was much longer then. So this says Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. The full-size bottle sells for $12. A weightless spray that cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and adds volume to second-day hair. At Eva Hair NYC, hashtag nourished and refreshed. So we'll see how it goes. I love to pop these in my bag. I love to put these, you know, in my purse or my backpack, depending on what I'm doing that day, because I get oily throughout the day too. Like, it happens to all of us. Alright, the fourth thing I have is a very small sized, I guess, sampler of the Clinique Acne Solutions Clinical Clearing Gel. The 15 milliliter bottle actually sells for $18, which is not that bad. I mean, I love my Carly brand, but we can always try Clinique. My mom used to use Clinique a lot as a kid, so I know that when I was a kid, I saw Clinique all the time in the house, so I could give it a try again. It says, results as good as leading a topical prescription in clearing acne. Our daily treatment gel starts clearing blemishes upon application and helps prevent new ones. At Clinique, hashtag Acne Solutions. They also give me a coupon code if you guys want to use it. It's available until 9/16. I'm going to probably put it in the description box below, but I'll also put it across the screen. It is CL Clear 20 on Clinique.com. Receive 20% off of your purchase. So you guys can get 20% off using my code. I don't mind. And the last thing we have is this right here. Oh, I love spa treatment stuff. I really do. Like, this is so cute, and I love the packaging. I'm a graphic designer, so this packaging is so adorable. Oh my god. So, it's a glow mask. Okay. So it says, this is called Peach Slices, the brand. It says Peach Slices Hydrate Sheet Mask. It sells for $2.49 a piece. Helps instantly refresh and rejuvenate skin with intense hydration from antioxidant-rich thyme and Chinese morning calm flower. There's also another sheet mask that comes in here because you're only going to be getting one, but it says that you're going to receive one in your package, but they have two different types available. The other one would be a Peach Slices Shrink Pores instead of a hydrating mask, and it also sells for $2.49, and it says it helps firm skin and reduce the appearance of pores thanks to ingredients like exfoliating willow bark, soothing hinoki cypress, I've never heard of that, and hydrating rose. It says you can at Peach and Lily, hashtag glass skin goals. So I did receive all these items for free through Influencer, and if you guys don't know what Influencer is an app that you can download on Apple or Android App Store, and you pretty much tell all about yourself. So they're going to make you do a survey on your skin type, your hair type, what do you like, what you don't like, things that you've tried before. You can also review on the app. You can literally search anything in that app. On top of that, you also need to be up on your emails and make sure you're constantly checking your emails, because I actually sometimes have missed boxes because I haven't checked my email quick enough. So if you're ever the type of person that's always on their phone, or you're always like going through apps, make sure you go through your email app. I have Gmail, so I go through my Gmail app, and I always like to search on the top of the bar Influenster, just to make sure, like, at least once a week that I didn't receive an email from them. They try to send out boxes, I think, once a month, so hopefully every time I get one of these boxes, I can actually review more for you guys. So they're also going to ask you to log into, through the app, you're going to log into your social medias so that they can see how much viewers you actually have, how many viewers, excuse me, that you have, so that the more viewers you have, the more chances you have at actually getting a box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, check out my other YouTube video. Also, check out my other YouTube video that I have posted. I currently only have one video up. So if you guys could just like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know anything in the comments below that you want me to review or try out. I'll be more than happy to buy it and try it out for you guys. So thanks for visiting. I get super shy. Bye guys.